Hello there, welcome to the digital case round of Unilever Leadership Internship Program. COVID-19 Digitization and Revolution. Right now, the most common word, radio, not digital technology, is reinventing business. Every enterprise faces a choice between innovation and extinction. COVID-19, digitization, and revolution have radically changed the customer behavior and expectation, and it pushes up the following result. Internet users 4.66 billion, streaming rate increases to 21%, which is 223.98 millions, and B2 sales increases to US dollar 4,891 in 2021 projected, and consumer purchasing behavior changes, and e-commerce revenue boost up by 70%, and digital buyers 2.14 billions, and consumer are less likely to visit malls and physical stores except grocery, and this strong growth reflects our ability to adapt quickly to rapidly changing the world. I am Mohammad Rajib is going to present the solution regarding the case has been made. So without further ado, let's get into it. Task. I have to come up with a big disruptive idea on data and digitization that will help Unilever as an organization to strive in this fast-paced world. Before sharing my idea, I would like to ask a question to you. How do you deliver value to consumer in a more efficient way? Here is my idea, Leverage Shop. Leverage Shop is a B2C mobile app system where consumer can order product directly from their nearest store. Eventually, faster delivery is possible by using nearest location store. There is a three easy step to enter into this app. To register, you have to give a necessary information, and after successful registration, you will get a unique profile, and then you can enter this app. Key features of Leverage Shop. All products are available. To deliver product fast, nearest store will be registered by this app. All language is more acceptable, and offer is available like bundle, seasonal, and discount. To seamless web experience, this app is also connected with website. Moving on, there is an option for recommendation. This app is also usable in offline except order placement. This app is also partnered with e-retailer shop. There is no cash money needed. You can pay through a digital medium. And each successful purchase, consumer will get reward point. Analyzing this app and using digital algorithms, the outcomes will be understand consumer behavior, where the purchase is made easily can track by this app. As Unilever have B2B Lever Bazaar app, this app is also connected with this for an integrated system. By understanding consumer behavior and location, Unilever can make a sustainable research and development and customer development. By digitalization this process, seamless web experience is ensured. Easily understand the which brand interaction is more effective. By applying the customer recommendation, we have the option to identify opportunities for innovation like package design or new launches. Easily can make contextual TVCs and ads. Now comes to feasibility. Data is the major asset for the sustainability to make a better place. Unilever advanced algorithm will make the more improving efficiency, can capture consumer insights that can be used to optimize channel strategies in real time. As we have Unilever Level Watcher app, accustomed to using the same app already, and automation and digitization across supply chain project bring the project distribution successfully. And Unilever have a strong advanced technology website and social media site that can easily grab a large number of consumers. By using the consumer insights, significant cost reduction in the long run as proper utilization of resources will be ensured. Takeaways. This app is not only order placement but lots of information available mentioned earlier. B2B Labor Bazaar app helps to B2C leverage shop. Other competitors still not applying this idea, so we get competitive advantage. This app is also connected with e-retailers to direct consumer business. Finally, by proper utilization of information from this app, we can make a sustainable research and development and more marketing and customer development. This app is designed in a way that both the business and consumer will be benefited. This initiative makes Unilever unique and you can deliver product more efficient way to the consumer. Thank you.